Do you want to update Outlook meeting without sending notification? First open Microsoft Outlook on your laptop. Wait for your inbox and account to load fully. Now go to the calendar section in Outlook. Find the meeting you want to update. Click on the meeting to open its details. Now open the full edit view of the meeting. Here you can see all meeting information. Make the changes you need carefully. For example, update time or description. Now click on the send update option. A pop-up will appear with notification option. Choose to send updates only to specific attendees. This prevents notifying everyone unnecessarily. Confirm your selection by clicking OK. Your meeting will now update quietly. You can also make small changes differently. Edit notes or description without major changes. Now try closing the meeting window. Outlook will ask if you want to save changes. Select the save without sending option. This is the key step to avoid notification. Your changes will be saved silently. Go back to your calendar to check. You will see the updated meeting there. Open it again to confirm everything. Make sure all changes are correct. Now your update is complete. No notification was sent to attendees. This helps avoid unnecessary email, and that's how you update meeting quietly in Outlook.